G'day, this is Martin from Eurocar Upgrades. Today we've installed a brand new 2018 Audi R8 steering wheel with some extra buttons on a 2013 Audi S3. As you can see, it's got a start-stop, the engine button on the steering wheel, and a drive select. The client wanted to have all the buttons functional, so that's what we've done for him. So the start-stop button was moved from the center console to the steering wheel. It switches the car off, and now it switches the car on. Drive select allows you to select the way you want the car to handle. So it's dynamic, individual, efficiency, comfort, and auto. We'll test these buttons now. So this obviously scrolls through your menus. So that's your media, that's your phone menu, that's your navigation and car, and you've got a scroll and OK button, which we'll try now. So OK button resets when you press it, or basically just accepts it. You obviously got your view and return button, which are sometimes used. So this is your volume button. So obviously adjust the volume, and then this one skips tracks. Backwards and forwards. Okay, volume down obviously works as well. The voice control button. Home address.
Home address. A home address has not yet been stored. Please use the MMI control console to enter the home address.
Okay. So we don't want to store it. Okay, so the nav button,
Route guidance is not active,
which repeats the route guidance options. This is the favorite button, so the client has the option to set it up as he wants it. At the moment it's set to drive select as well. And the phone button is for calling, which the phone button on S3 is works with the phone, as the phone is connected now. So yeah, we are happy to and proud to achieve this flat bottom steering wheel installation from a brand new Audi R8. If you want to have one installed in your car, which is a pretty cool upgrade, I wouldn't mind having one in my car, feel free to contact us on 07 5479 5555. Thank you for watching, enjoy your day, and bye bye.